Hey guys, oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't talked to you in forever. So today I'm gonna be doing an update video, just telling you guys where I've been because this has been the longest I've been away from YouTube, just so you guys know, and I don't wanna leave you guys hanging and just like jump back into YouTube videos. So I wanted to give you guys an update, and as you guys can see, I'm in a new area, and that is because we moved. That's one of the updates. So I'm actually in the middle of getting ready, so I'm just gonna keep going while I talk to you guys. So you guys know from like past videos, I told you that we were moving apartments, and so we were dealing with that, but in the middle of us moving, it's gonna be hard to talk about this. Whew. So you guys know from like past videos that I told you that me and Christian were moving apartments, and so we were in the middle of a move and we found out my great grandma was sick, and I wasn't like too worried about it at the beginning just because I was trying to think positive and think it was nothing and it was just something small. And it turns out that she did have cancer. My great grandma was 81 years old. And so her having cancer is really, really scary because obviously she's older. So treatments are a lot more harsh on older people just because of their age. And so I got really, really scared. And most people are actually not that close with their great grandmas just because they either don't know them or they're just not that close. But that's not how it was with my family. She was actually my godmother, so she blessed me when I was little, and we were just really close. Like, that's the place that we always went as kids to like hang out, and we just have so many memories with her. And so knowing that she was sick was really hard on me, especially because I was in the middle of a move, so it's not like I could just like pack up and like go there because we had to like be here to sign the papers to move apartments. And so we decided to stay like in Dallas, and then we got another call saying that my grandma, because at first she was doing pretty well, and so my family was like, don't worry about it, she's doing good right now, she's gonna get her radiation and they're gonna send her home and she'll do like hospice and she'll be more comfortable there. But because of her cancer, it was like really weird, and they didn't know what was gonna happen all the time. Like sometimes it was good and sometimes it was bad. And so I got a call saying that she was getting worse and she was having really hard time breathing. And so that's when they said like, you need to come right now just in case anything happens. And so we just like threw everything in the car and we went to my hometown, and then we went to see her. And oh my God, I don't want to cry, but it was just so nice seeing her because she was still acting herself, and she was goofing around, and she was like, Brittany, they don't let me have my tortillas. Like, I want tortillas with eggs. And she was just like herself, and it was just nice seeing her. But it was also really hard because she's a really like, she didn't complain much, and for her to say that she was hurting and seeing her like trying to breathe on her own was really hard. It was a lot. And I had a lot of other stuff going on, like the move and some other stuff that I can't really talk about right now, but it was just really hard to leave her. And so I left her and I came back to Dallas. Hold on one sec, sorry. Sorry guys, oh, I had to get myself together there. I don't wanna like cry off my makeup I just did. So yeah, I was away from her for a while, and then I got the call saying that she passed away. And so I had to go be with my family because that's what you do. And I wanted to say my goodbyes to her, of course. And so I was gone for a while, out of town, and then we had to come back and move. And moving was hard because, like I said, I was just like so worried about her that like we weren't really doing any of the moving things. We were trying to get stuff done, like clean the apartment and stuff, the old one, but it was just hard doing all that. And so I literally got back, and then we're trying to like force everything really fast. Like we put all our clothes in like big bags, and we just had them all over the new apartment. It was a mess. And I had to go to work soon, and so we were just trying to finish moving and everything. I didn't want to be gone from YouTube that long, but it just, so much things ended up happening all at once that it was really hard to film, obviously. And I actually had filmed quite a few videos before I left for out of town, and they just never got posted because I never really got to edit them. And so I'm gonna post those videos after this video because they're still relevant. Like, they're just really good videos and I want you guys to see them. And so I just need to work on editing them, and those should be posted, and I should be back to my regular programming with videos every week. Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to be doing my makeup and talking to you guys, but I kind of just stopped doing my makeup and started talking. But on a more positive note, like I said, I've been working on some things that I'm really excited about. I'm also wanting to post more content for you guys, just something really fun. I feel like I got into this really kind of bad funk to where I only posted certain videos, and it's just getting kind of boring posting the same things all the time. Now I know some videos you guys love and don't want me to stop, like hauls and trying new makeup, so I'm definitely gonna keep doing those videos, but I want to add some new content in there for you guys. I'm also working really hard on my Instagram right now because I want to get that up, because I feel like my Instagram is like this and my YouTube is like this, and it doesn't really make sense. So I'm gonna be posting on there every single day, so make sure you guys follow me. I started posting 2 days ago, and I'm just gonna try to like keep doing looks and posting every day. And so yeah guys, I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I'll kind of show you guys what we have done to the apartment so far. Okay guys, so this is a little sneak peek of what our apartment is looking like so far. We're basically gonna be redoing the whole entire apartment. We're gonna get rid of all this old furniture we brought with us. We tried not to bring too much because we were gonna be getting rid of it. But as you guys can see, this is my old vanity. We're gonna get a whole new one, and also a different like storage compartment things. I don't know what we're gonna buy yet, so I don't know what to call them, but for my makeup. And then I'm gonna be doing an updated makeup collection and showing you guys that. But we're also gonna be doing a video of just like how we decorate this apartment, so you guys can see a little bit more into our lives, which we're really excited about. These stools are new though. We bought these whenever we first moved in here just because we needed somewhere to sit. But that being said, I've already picked up some stuff for the apartment that I wanted to show you guys in like a little haul here in a sec. And I also got some PR I wanted to show you as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this haul. Please excuse my appearance. I didn't do my hair because I'm dyeing it tomorrow, and I'm actually going to the salon, which is crazy for me because you guys know I always dye my own hair, but I want to do something more drastic to it. So I was like, let me just go to the professionals. And I'm also doing like this editorial makeup look for Instagram. I'm also going to be doing like Valentine's Day hearts or something like that, so I will have that on Instagram if you're curious, but I'm not even done with it, so just ignore it for right now. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this stuff so I could go ahead and edit this video and have it up for you guys. So we got these hangers right here from Target, and they're wooden. We like the wooden ones just because for our apartment we want to go with like a boho theme, and so we got wooden black. How much is in here? Comes with 24 hangers, and I definitely needed them because I ran out of them, and Christian freaking threw away all our old hangers. He just has been throwing away so much stuff from the old apartment. It's crazy. I literally had to buy a new trash can for the restroom and just like little stuff like that because he was just like, let's just get all new stuff, and I was like, okay, I guess. We also got a toaster. We've actually never owned a toaster. Can you believe that? We had a, what's it called? One of those little mini ovens. What's it called? A toaster oven, I guess. But it wasn't like an official toaster like that you could put bread in, if you know what I'm saying. And it only toasted one side. So we threw that away and we got this. I want to open it to see what it looks like. I don't know if you guys could see, but all our appliances are like chrome and black. So we went with this color toaster to match with that. I'm so excited. I love getting new stuff. That's how you know you're an adult, when you get excited for a toaster. Ooh, it smells like all new. It smells like a new car. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Oh my gosh, she's so freaking cute. I love like the rounded edges because it looks more like vintage. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used a toaster in literally years. I also wanted to show you guys some PR because I'm really excited about it. You guys know from my last haul that I showed like a similar box to this one, but it was for the Benefit Brow Search. And so after I got that package, a couple days later, I got 2 other packages from them saying Club Pink. And I looked it up, and Club Pink is our PR list. So I'm really freaking ecstatic because the only PR list I'm on is Alter Ego, and they're more of an indie brand. So I cannot wait to keep getting packages from them. So if you guys want to see the last package that they sent me, it was like all brow products, then watch my last haul. But they also sent this smaller one and then a really big package that I'll show you here in a sec, but my camera's on it right now. But look how cute their paper is. So they sent me a box of all of like their minis, or not all of them, but most of them. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. Look at that. Okay, so you get both professionals in there, the pearl and the regular, a mini brow pencil, which is in shade 3, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, which is my favorite mascara of all time, 2 other mascaras and 2 blushes and the bronzer. I'm gonna go more in depth when I do like a haul video, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys now, like give you a sneak peek. And then like I said, they gave me a bigger one. Hold on, let me get the box. It's under the camera. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is the bigger package, and when I opened this, I could not believe it. So there's the paper, and here is all the stuff. Look at that, guys. Ah, I cannot believe it. So it has a mix of everything. There's brows in here, which now I have even more backups because I have that other brow package and then this one. And then also face products. So like more bronzers and highlighters and things, but these are all full size, which is really cool. I even got a freaking brush, which I didn't even know they had brushes. I thought this was like their Hoola contour stick, but it's actually their brush and it's blue. That's really cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to like use this stuff and like tag them in it, because Benefit is one of the brands that like I've already loved for so many years. And so now that they're sending me stuff, I cannot believe it. They even sent their like new product, which is this like brow palette. So I just wanted to show you guys how freaking blessed I am. So moving back onto Target. So I got some more like just boring household stuff. We got a Swiffer because it gets really dusty in this apartment. And then I got some new towels for the bathroom, because for the longest time we were getting white towels, and as you guys could see, that does not work with my hair, and the towels were turning pink. And so black is a good one to go with, just because you can't see any staining if you do get a little pink on there. So I just got some black towels. It's from the 62 line, which we actually like this line a lot. We saw a lot of their stuff, which were really cute. And so we just got 2 of those, and then we got a smaller one so we could use as a hand towel. We also got some new restroom stuff because, like I said, Christian threw away everything. So I got this little container right here. It's just clear and black, because our restroom actually has the same countertops as that table right there. So this matches really well. And so I got this, and to match it, I got this little toothbrush holder, because we only have 2 toothbrushes because we don't have a family or anything. So we got this small one right here. I want to change the toothbrushes to black though. I think that would look really cute. And we got both of these things from from Home Goods. Also from Home Goods, we got this right here to put all our fragrances in. Oh my gosh, hopefully I don't drop this. Ooh. Okay, so I got this tray right here for all of our fragrances. I'm gonna have it on our bathroom counter. It still has a tag on it, but I just thought it was really nice, and it went with those other things from the bathroom. We have a lot of fragrances. This is actually not all of them, just because some of them are like empty. Me and Christian do that a lot, to where we'll have like this much left, and we'll keep it for like a long time because we won't use it. So we need to declutter some of them, but I got that. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys some stuff I picked up from Ulta yesterday, because like, why not? I'm already here. So I got 2 sheet masks. I got the I'm Lemon mask, which is for brightening, and this is from Tony Moly, and then also the pore care, which is called Red Wine, and this one is supposed to tighten your pores, so I need that really badly. You guys know my skin has been going through it. Speaking of that, I got this brand right here. It's called Urban Skin RX, and this is their Clear Complexion Acne Serum Spot Treatment. And this has 7.5% benzoyl peroxide and glycolic acid. And this coworker of mine was raving about this for her acne, and I was telling her I was just gonna buy the Mario Badescu one again, which really doesn't do much, but it's the only acne medication I know to buy. I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but like, I just buy it because I'm like, what else am I gonna buy? I don't really do research on acne medication. And so when she told me about that, I was like, yeah, I'll try it out. It's the same price as the Mario Badescu one. It's around like 20 bucks. And I was like, when she said Urban Skin, I was like, Urban Decay has skincare, what? She was like, no, it's like this new brand. And so this is what it looks like right here. And then it comes with this like clear pointed tip, which looks very medical. And so hopefully this works for my acne. It sounds really promising because it says that it's for like cystic acne, which I have, scarring, and it also just helps with like irritation. And so it just sounds really good. Let me know if you guys have tried this. If not, let me know your favorite acne treatment because my skin hates me nowadays. And I also got some new Miami lashes. There they are. You guys know this is just my favorite like dramatic lash. And so that is gonna be everything I wanted to show you guys for now. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the apartment tour. I'm really excited. Make sure you guys have the notifications on. And like I said, I'm gonna be back to my usual routine of posting 3 times a week. So I'm excited to be back and I missed you guys. Also, make sure to stay tuned for a future haul. What else? There's so many things. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you're ready to kick off this 2020. I know I had a really, really rough start at the beginning. So I just want to make the best of it now and just think positive. And I'll also show you guys my new updated hair after I get it done. But I hope that you guys liked this video and it wasn't too casual for you guys. This is my first time vlogging, but you guys did say that you wanted to see me vlog and I'm glad. I'm glad that you guys told me that because now we can get on a more like personal level. And that's all I have to say. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.